Hi there, students. Dungarees. Okay, dungarees are a piece of clothing. It's trousers with a bib and then straps over each shoulder. Normally made of denim. Denim is the textile that you use to make jeans. And it's normally made of denim. It might be made of corduroy or heavy cotton. Normally, this is a type of overall. You wear these very often as working clothes. So a pair of dungarees. Notice not a dungaree, but dungarees. I think the singular dungaree, or the uncountable noun, is a word for denim, for the fabric that is used for blue jeans. Okay, so dungarees, a pair of overalls. Yeah, it's a pair of trousers with a flap at the front to cover the chest and then straps over each shoulder. Dungarees are very comfortable and very easy to use. They make life quite easy. Now, I think in the US they also use this word dungarees just to talk about jeans as another word for for jeans. But for me, dungarees are the whole set of overalls. Yeah, if you're going to work on something dirty, then dungarees. It's a one-piece garment, trousers, and then the cloth that comes up, and then the straps that go over your shoulder. The Americans also refer, as I said, to dungarees just meaning jeans, but to me as a Brit, dungarees, this is a type of overall. So my dungarees were covered in grease. I bought a new pair of dungarees for £25. There was a man in old torn dungarees working in the garage. The reporter was a young lady dressed in dungarees with a red hat. Okay, so dressed in dungarees, wearing dungarees, tattered blue dungarees, brown dungarees. I guess gingham dungarees sold by Benetton. Sorry, gingham is it's a black and a pattern with squares, normally red and white, or black and white, or blue and white. Blue and white squares. So anyway, dungarees, an overall, a one piece overall, a suit of workman's overalls, a great big fellow wearing dungarees and carrying a hammer. Yeah, if you're going to work in something manual, dungarees are the perfect thing to wear. Okay, so dungarees, formality, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to the origin, well, this word, believe it or not, comes from Hindi, from Dungaree, which is a type of coarse calico, a type of textile. Or effectively the textile for making jeans. And then interestingly, this Dungaree is the name of a village in India, and I guess that this is where they the center of making denim. Okay, so dungarees, yeah, I wouldn't mind buying a pair of dungarees. Since I started thinking about this video, I looked them up. Maybe I'll buy myself a new pair of dungarees. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dungarees, Dungaree.